Good morning, students. Welcome to this radio class. I am Rama Dolari from Sri Janak Secondary School. Dear students, please be ready with your books, copies and pencil. Today we are going to discuss about reporting statement unit 2, and it is about a debate competition. Now dear students, please turn your book page number 13. English book, take page number 13. Please turn it, and in page number 13 you can see a picture. Can you see it? Yes, you can see pictures, and you can see some students sitting on the bench, and you can see some of the elderly people sitting on the bench, and you can see the participant, and in the picture you can see the picture of a school. And from this picture you can guess what is happening there. Can you guess it? Yes, of course you can guess it. Yes, it's very easy. There might be a program, a competition on that ground, in that school. And dear students, you also have participated in many competitions in schools, organized by the schools. Now, have you ever participated in debate competition? Yes, of course, yes, you have participated in debate competition. You know what is competition? Yes, debate. What was the subject of the debate? Can you recall? Yes, please recall it. What was the subject of the debate you participated in your school? Now, please recall yourself, or you may write down in your copies in which topic you participated in a debate competition in your school. Now, dear students, using a single language across the world is better than using multiple languages. Please listen to the topic carefully. Using a single language across the world is better than using multiple languages. Do you agree? If you agree, why? Please think it yourself. I want to make the topic clear. Using a single language across the world, that means using only one language across the world, in the whole world, is better than using multiple languages. For example, in this scenario, in our case, in this world, there are multiple languages. People from the different parts of the world use different languages, and within the country also there are multiple languages. People are using different languages. For example, in Nepal, people use Tamang language, Nepali language, Tharu language, Maithili language, and there are different languages, Magar language, etc. And within a society also, people use different languages. And the topic is using a single language across the world is better than using multiple languages. Do you agree or not? In which part you agree? You agree with using a single language is better, or you agree with using multiple languages is better? Please decide it yourself. Now, let's study. There has been a debate competition in Gauri Sankar Higher Secondary School. The debate competition is organized by Gauri Shankar Higher Secondary School. Amrit Timal Sinha is the Master of Ceremonies, MCs. You may be in confusion with this phrase, Master of Ceremony, MCs. You may not know this word. Master of Ceremony means host, who handles the programs. You see in your school program, teacher or student hosts the program. That is Master of Ceremony. Host, or we, in a simple sense, we call anchors. Yes, Master of Ceremony means we understand as anchors or host, MCs we called it. And Amrit Timal Sinha is the host of the debate competition. Karma and Kavita are the speakers in the final round of the debate. Karma and Kavita, they are the participants of this debate competition and they are in final round. Now, read the transcription of the debate below and note some important points Karma and Kavita presented to support their opinion. Here the word transcription. You don't know the meaning of the word transcription. The meaning of the word transcription is printed version of the spoken form. Printed version. Here in this debate, Karma and Kavita, they spoke about using single language and using multiple languages better. And the spoken form, the spoken words of Karma and Kavita are in this book in a printed version. That is called transcription. Now I think you get it. I am going to repeat it again one time. Transcription. Transcription means printed version. Okay. Now opinion means view. In this debate, Karma and Kavita presented to support their opinion, their view. Now let's study. For the motion, topic is using a single language is better than multiple languages. Using a single language is better than using multiple languages. Now, Mr. Chairperson, respected teachers and friends, I would like to thank Mr. Timal Sinha, that means Amrit Timal Sinha, for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on the burning issue. The fewer the languages there are, the easier life will be. Every year, several languages die out. Some people think that life will be easier if there are fewer languages in the world. I support this view. Now, look here, let's go to the first line. I would like to thank Mr. Timal Sinha for giving me an opportunity. Opportunity means chance to express my opinion on the burning issue. Now, what's the meaning of the word burning issue? Burning issue means very strong topic of discussion. Burning issue means very strong topic of discussion. Very strong topic of discussion is called burning issue. And what is the burning issue? The fewer the languages there are, the easier life will be. Every year, several languages die out. We can see many languages are dying out because there is no speaker in this world of that language. Some people think that life will be easier if there are fewer languages in the world. What some people think? If there are fewer languages, the life will be easier. I support this view. As we know, the development of recent technology has a significant role to create a global village. Nowadays, in this 21st century, because of technological advancement, because of technological development, and the world is created as a global village. The world has become a village. People from any part of the world can communicate easily through the internet. You can see we ourselves communicate with the people from different parts of the world. For example, we are living in Nepal and we can communicate, we can look at the people we are communicating with, we are talking with in the internet, and we have conversations with them. Due to the international importance of the English language, most people are reluctant to use their first language and are learning English. English is the international language. It is lingua franca. It is common language. It is linked language. That's why people are reluctant to use their first language. Reluctant means unwilling. They are not willing to speak their first language, and they are interested to learn English in this 21st century. This shows that people prefer learning the language that helps them to communicate in the global village to their own language. That means what this shows, people prefer, they like learning the language that helps them to communicate in the global village. That means they like to learn English because English language helps them to communicate in the global village, and their language don't help to communicate in this world to all the people. They can't communicate to all the people of this world. That's why people like to learn English language than the language of their mother tongue. They don't like to speak their mother tongue, but they like to learn English language because it is international language, it is common language. You can express your views to anyone in this world using English language. Mr. Chairperson, using the same language would certainly add understanding and global fraternity. Using the same language would certainly add understanding and global fraternity. Means if we use the same language in this world, it would be easier for anyone to understand other, and it develops global fraternity. The meaning of the word fraternity means brotherhood, feeling of brotherhood. People can communicate with one another without any problem. It unites all the people as global citizens. If everyone speaks the same language, there will be a clear understanding between not only countries but also people throughout the world. It would promote learning, the flow of information and ideas. For example, students don't have to translate the text into their mother tongue to understand. Here in this paragraph, what the competitor is telling is that if we use same language across the world, it would be easier for everyone to understand, and it promotes brotherhood, the feeling of brotherhood, and there would not be any difficulties while communicating with the people of another country. It ties people of all the countries. It unites people of all the countries, and it makes people as global citizen. And if everyone speaks the same language, there will be clear understanding between the countries and the people also. If we, for example, if we speak Nepali in this whole world, it would be easier for us to communicate with the people, to understand people's feeling. Yes, that's why single language is very easier. It creates understanding, it creates fraternity, it unites the people across the world. It promotes learning also. For example, the students or the people in Nepal feel difficulties in learning English, and in our case many students are not able to be upgraded because of English language. They are weak in English language. And if the same language is spoken all over the world, then everybody will feel easier, and learning, it promotes learning also, and learning will be easier, and information can be shared with each other, and ideas are also can be shared. And in our text, students don't have to translate the text into their mother tongue to understand. Yes, teachers, for example, in Nepal, students feel difficulties in learning English. That's why most of the students want their teacher to translate the text into Nepali. And if the same language is spoken all over the world, this problem would also be solved. Ladies and gentlemen, economic growth is also possible by using single language, as it can minimize various costs such as the cost of communication, translation, interpretation, etc. We don't need interpreters in international conferences, seminars, and workshops. Participants can easily express whatever they like in the language of common understanding. Thus, it can minimize the communication barrier and helps international business, resulting in a healthier world economy. The competitor again says that if we use single language, economic growth is also possible because it minimizes the cost of communication. While communicating, we need translators, interpreters to translate our language into theirs, and we have to pay for them also. And if the same language is spoken all over the world, we don't need any translator or interpreters. And in many international conferences and seminars and workshops, these things are happening. Many translators, interpreters are used. That's why we don't have to pay for them, and economic growth is also possible. Participants can easily express whatever they like in the language of common understanding. Means the person who is participating in international conference, seminars or workshop, they don't need interpreters or translators. They can express whatever they like in the language, common language. Thus, it minimizes the economic barriers. Barriers means hindrance, yes? It minimizes economic barriers, communication barrier. You don't need anyone. There is a flow of communication. You can communicate with the people of any countries. So, it minimizes communication barriers and helps international business. You can do business with any country, any people you like to do, resulting in healthier world economy. It results healthier world economy. Not only this, if a language is intelligible for all, members of security forces can easily investigate and understand national and international criminal plans. It may help in solving international and intercultural security problems too. Again, the participant says that if a single language is used, if a language is intelligible for all, understandable for all, if a language is understandable for all the people, Members of security forces, army, police can easily investigate. Investigate means, what's the meaning of the word investigate? Carefully examine the fact of a situation to find out the truth about it. That is investigate. Yes? Carefully examine the fact of the situation to find out the truth about it. Investigate. And understand national and international criminal plans. If there is only one language, everybody, the security forces, member of the security forces can understand their language and they can easily investigate the criminal's plan also. It helps in solving international and intercultural security problem. It helps in the security problem. Security members can easily find out their plans and they can act upon that plan. That's why security problem can also be solved by using single language. To conclude, in conclusion, I strongly claim that using a single language as a lingua franca strengthens our fraternity, integrity, security, and global understanding. In addition to helping international business and economy. In conclusion, the participant says that she claims that using a single language as a lingua franca. Lingua franca means link language or common language. That means if the people use common language all over the world, it strengthens our fraternity, brotherhood. The feeling of brotherhood can be strengthened, be strong. Integrity, we all are same. Security problem can also be solved. And global understanding is possible using single language. And in addition to helping international business and economy, it helps if a single language is used all over the world. It helps international business and economy. These are the things told by the participant in a debate competition in favor of single language. Now what were the points she discussed? I am going to discuss in brief. Every year several languages die out, she said. The world has become a global village due to the development in science and technology. People prefer learning the language that helps them to communicate in a global village. Using the same language would certainly add understanding and global community. People can communicate with one another without any problem if there is a single language. And single language can unite all the people as global citizens. A single language would promote learning and the flow of information and ideas. Economic growth is also possible by using single language. Interpreters will not be needed in international conference, seminars and workshops. Single language minimizes the communication barriers and helps international business and also makes the world's economy healthier. Use of a single language may help in solving international and intercultural security problems. A single language strengthens our fraternity, brotherhood, integrity, security and global understanding. In addition to helping international business and economy. These were the points that was discussed by the participant who is in favor of using single language, and these points are told by Karma, and he is in favor of using single language. Now let's discuss some of the things about this motion, and tomorrow we are going to study against the motion. That means using multiple languages is better than a single language. Today we studied using a single language. Using a single language is better than multiple languages. We discussed about this motion today, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about using multiple languages is better than a single language. And in this point, Karma has given his opinion, and we discussed about Karma's opinion. Now let's discuss some of the words that was mentioned, that was spoken by Karma. Burning issue. Now I had already told you about the burning issue. What is burning issue? What's the meaning of the word burning issue? The meaning of the word burning issue is very strong topic of discussion. Burning issue means very strong topic of discussion. Several means more than two, but not many. Several means more than two, but not many. Prefer. What's the meaning of the word prefer? Like. Yes, prefer means like one thing or person better than another. Like one thing or person better than another. Investigate means carefully examine the facts of a situation to find out the truth about it. And integrity means, what's the meaning of the word integrity? Honesty and ability to do what is morally right. These were some of the words that were discussed, that were said by Karma. And I had already summarized the text, summarized the opinions, views of Karma. Now, dear students, please read the text once. Please read it again. And if you have any confusion regarding this text, regarding the Karma's opinion, you can ask me. And tomorrow we are going to study about the opinions presented by Kavita. That means against the motion, using multiple languages is better than a single language. Tomorrow, in the next class, we are going to discuss about this motion. This much for today. Have a good day. Thank you.